On average, each Vietnamese citizen disposes of approximately 62 kilograms of plastic waste per year, totaling about 6.2 million tons nationwide. The majority of this waste is either buried or incinerated, with only a fraction being sorted or recycling. The Vietnamese government has recently taken robust measures to combat plastic waste pollution. However, due to limited resources, Vietnam greatly needs the collective efforts of the private sector and the international organizations. With a staff of more than 20 years of experience and understanding of collection and recycling systems in informal areas, VietCycle is joining hands with relevant agencies and international organizations to build an advanced and modern recycling industry in Vietnam, building a waste circular economy, sustainable development for Vietnam civilized with waste. On this meaningful journey, VietCycle is honored to accompany major partners such as Unilever, Pepsi, Alba, and Alliance to End Plastic Waste, TCP, IUCN, Down. Besides, VietCycle is a core member of many organizations and associations. Board member of the Vietnam Plastics Association and the Vietnam Recycle Plastic Association. Partner member of the Public and Private Collaboration for Plastic Waste Management, PPC, established by the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, head of Vietnam Packaging EPR team appointed by the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. SANGNet is a circular ecosystem managed and operated by VietCycle. We build an ecosystem including members across the country, operating in the field of the waste collection, sortation, recycling, and organizing EPR practices for businesses and manufacturers. VietCycle is a pioneer in sharing knowledge, experience, technology, and providing investment and financial advice with members, joining hands to develop Vietnam's recycling industry. SANGNet carries on the mission of converting waste towards the vision of for Vietnam civilized with waste. Currently, SANGNet members have reached 300 businesses, organizations, and individuals, especially the network of tens of thousands of green warrior workers across the country.
Mình vất vả nhưng nghĩ lại đằng sau mình lại có một cái điểm tựa của công ty, cho nên là chúng tôi phấn khởi lắm. Quên hết cái nỗi khổ đi, quên hết cái nỗi nhọc đi, thì thôi mình cứ đi xong hết tháng mình lại có quà rồi. Nếu ốm đau mình lại có công ty dựa rồi. Thế cho nên là chúng tôi rất là phấn khởi.
In order for SANGNet ecosystem to operate effectively, VietCycle designs management processes and operating regulations with a complete model from green members, green points, green sorting and billing stations, and green factories. In particular, SANGNet was honored to be visited, encouraged, and recognized by the Deputy Prime Minister Trần Hồng Hà and Minister of Natural Resources and Environment Đặng Quốc Khánh at the Vietnam Circular Economy Forum 2023. With the mission of pioneering the trend of sustainable development, SANGNet is a passion of VietCycle and promises to be the leading circular economy model in Vietnam in combating plastic waste pollution, a trusted partner of all levels of government, brands, and international organizations. The Plastic Reborn Project, Reviving Plastic Waste, is a first system building project that VietCycle is honored to accompany with Unilever Vietnam. The project was launched with the goal to collect and recycle 50,000 tons of waste, reducing carbon emissions by 160 million kilograms until 2025. Support and improve the quality of life for collection workers in difficult circumstances in the system, especially female workers. On October 20th every year, the project organized a workshop for informal waste collection workers to connecting the network of informal collection and recycling workers, sharing lessons learned and discussing proposed policy mechanisms and initiatives to support the informal sector while promoting the role and empowerment of the informal sector. VietCycle also cooperates with IUCN and TCP to implement the TCP project towards circular economy and promoting EPR practices in Vietnam from 2022 to 2024. In this project, VietCycle will be responsible for collection and recycling to carry out expanded corporate responsibility practices. With the mission of circulating plastic waste globally for civilized Vietnam with waste, AEPW and VietCycle implement the Plastic Cycle project to collect plastic waste in Vietnam starting in 2022. By August 2023, the project has achieved unexpected results, collected 4,422 tons of rigid and flexible plastic waste, 2,095 tons in Hanoi and 2,327 tons in Ho Chi Minh City, support housing rental costs, health insurance, and create income for nearly 600 informal waste collectors. In addition, VietCycle, with the support of Dow Group, implemented the project Circular Economic Model of Low-Value Plastic Waste in Hoan Kiem District. The collection process by informal collectors combined with the official collectors in Hoan Kiem District. VietCycle has proposed to solve the problem of the marine plastic pollution in Quảng Ninh province, especially for 100 tons of old foam flows from acupuncture that have been collected on the mainland. In the first quarter of 2024, VietCycle will process and recycle more than 100 tons of foam buoys in Vân Đồn district and continue to coordinate with local government agencies to propagate, to raise awareness and expand collection and recycling areas. An important link in VietCycle operation is a cooperation with a pioneering recycling group in Europe, Alba, to develop a PET and HDPE plastic recycling plant with a capacity of 48,000 tons per year, with a total investment of over $50 million. The recycling plant will use advanced technology to produce PET plastic that meets international standards set by the EU and adopted by many multinational corporations. Besides, Alba and VietCycle always want to build a sustainable connection platform, contributing more value to the community and the environment. In July 2023, the two sides donated bicycles and disadvantaged female workers in Hanoi and Bắc Ninh. The event marks the beginning of Alba and VietCycle journey with recycling collection partners and local authorities. Not stopping with the results achieved, VietCycle is committed to sharing benefits, supporting fair transition, integrating the informal private sector, participating in protecting the environment. We sincerely thank and call on domestic and international partners, management agencies, and associations to continue accompanying and long-term cooperation to join hands in fighting waste pollution. For Vietnam civilized with waste.